Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the gel concentration and expiration because potency matters for effective numbness. Once confirmed, clean and fully dry the skin to prevent dilution. Do not apply to cuts. Next, measure the dose recommended for area size and spread a thin, even layer where you want numbness. Make sure to use gloves or an applicator to avoid self-numbing. Finally, note the exact application time so you can track onset and total exposure. Once the gel is on, gently massage it for 30 to 60 seconds to ensure even distribution and to help penetration into the skin. Then, if your instructions call for occlusion, cover the area with an appropriate dressing. This increases absorption and local effect. Make sure the dressing is secure but not constricting. Also, avoid external heat sources because heat speeds absorption and could raise systemic exposure. Keep the area at normal temperature, and you finish by removing the dressing at the prescribed time and wiping away all gel with a clean cloth. Thorough removal reduces ongoing absorption. Then, assess and document when numbness begins and how long it lasts so you can judge effectiveness. Monitor the person for adverse reactions, rash, severe pallor, dizziness, or excessive bleeding, and be prepared to seek care if they occur. If numbness is inadequate, do not immediately reapply. Instead, review dose and timing, and consult guidance before repeating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.